I'm Jade, I'm a wig maker, and today I'm being a client.
And that's it. Alright, you're gonna laugh when you watch back this because I'll be a joke I can get to know this now. Today, I, who is a barber, is going to be taking on the role of a stylist today. I'll be attempting very beautiful, we call it cream or perm or whatever. Relaxer. We're going to relax the wig maker here. Stay tuned. You will see it go. Can't work me more. Hey, that's it. I think, you know, I need to work me with them, no joke. We need ventilation when I operate with them. Yeah. Alright, guys, so I want to let me disgrace the brand. I'm telling you, they didn't actually give me a barrier cream, so we're going to be creative and substitute something for that, okay? If you get your look a bit of hair, then I eat. I'm afraid just skip out as much hair as possible. How about the sideburns then? I go cream the sideburns then. I have to make sure so your ears no bone off. Because black people like bone up people's ears, you know? Oh God, when they claim to say them are relaxed here. When the man come out of salon, man, them black. Yeah, I laugh like I think a joke, take a serious.
How come you have so much body over there?
You just see them after you sit alongside of them all like. Look for when me I tell you about me dolly girl them.
Oh my God.
And that's not even
I
listening,
can
you know.
I'll get some. Boy, if you was to ever see the ghetto way that I'm like.
Better know say that was skunk.
Just take your time, babe. The backdrop that you're doing it on will stay.
Remember I said then, so I'm mix it out in 1 minute here. Once Michael yesterday, man, book your fuck. I be a booking. And then remember my conversation on the live when I say the clients them. So my baby not necessarily are the most difficult to deal with. Because sometimes you adult them sleep out backside.
People actually fall asleep during the day.
You know what I mean? There's no after no kill me I crucify people. Alright, so that this section is not really excellent, but the back of the ear not at all, I have no length to catch you up. I'm gonna make sure say I like smoochies and smoochies. Come here, what kind of idiot style is that? It's a camera trickster. Look how much struggle you have to, and then the camera does make it look like we just went zoop and without no problem. The camera getting on my way. And so I try to do what I do and the camera interrupt me. How you feel, Jenny? Feel fine. I'm glad you passed the burn up section and you're not getting no great burn. Good thing I put excessive barrier cream, so when you have no experience. And suppose me tell you, say, at Jamaica, I see girls get their hairstyle and they always say they get bun and they still go back. It's like getting burned is natural. I wasn't relaxed, I can tell you that.
Yeah, because you know why?
That time me I work like a soldier, zoop, zoop, zoop. And that type of thing I want to know from earlier on, you know, if me have to go prepare my brain to start move like a flash.
I told you how long we have. But the thing is, you know.
No, but you never show me all the section in and anything. If you won't show me that before we start doing here, I wouldn't have to wait for, you know, the time of me I spend a run around, I would already know it's flicky like a triangle this already. You see what I try to say?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, so I would see about 30 seconds or 1 minute or so. Yeah, I have to pay for that
A
audition.
glass of wine and some grapes. Yeah. I feel good. Yeah. All right. What's the rest?
But me enjoy the process still, although it take super long. That one I move good, man.
I mean, the other one's just old and, you know.
And cool. You need to get going. Should have been finished by now.